Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Vimeo OTT for paywalled video content, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Vimeo OTT for paywalled video content, start by logging into your navigate to the Vimeo OTT section in the main menu. If you haven't set up an OTT account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once in your Vimeo OTT dashboard, click on Settings. Here, you'll find various options for configuring your paywall. Select the pricing option from the menu. You can choose between subscription, rental, or one-time purchase models. Decide on the pricing structure that best suits your content. After that, click on Save Changes to apply your pricing settings. Next, navigate to the Content tab in the dashboard. Click on Add Video to upload your paywalled content. Once the upload is complete, you'll have the option to edit your video details. Ensure you set the video visibility to paywall. This action ensures viewers must pay to access the video. Once you've configured the video settings, click Save. Now, go back to the pricing section to finalize your paywall settings. You can customize the paywall message that viewers will see. This message can include details about your content and pricing. After making your adjustments, save your changes again. To test the paywall, log out of your Vimeo account or open an incognito window. Visit the URL of your paywalled video. You should see the paywall prompt requesting payment to access the video. If everything works as intended, your paywall is now set up successfully. Return to your Vimeo OTT dashboard for any further adjustments as needed. You can monitor your video performance under the Analytics section. This will help you gauge viewer engagement and revenue generated. With these steps, you can effectively enable Vimeo OTT for paywalled video content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.